I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. Well, the corn sheller's been sold. Guy's coming up from Indiana to pick it up this morning. And gonna miss it, but I got another one to work on. I'm gonna use the proceeds from this one to buy the parts, well, the wood I need to fix the other one. And we'll go from there. Corn sheller works quite nicely, and I hope he has a nice time with it. I sure have. Every time. If you have any suggestions for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching.
This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the U.S. or 16 in the European Union without the express written permission of the parents or the legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.